You'll never believe what we're working on again. So we can get this thing running, and when it's on the software, it's got a misfire on every cylinder. It's got integrated engineering street race cams. Right now we are going to recheck timing, thinking maybe we've got the intake cam off a tooth or something. We are getting a cam sensor code. We swapped cam sensors. We've just checked the wire back to the ECU. Everything checks out. We've got power. Any ideas, guys? Let us know. I know someone said if the head was milled, it could roll the timing off a little bit. I checked it last time 3 times and the marks lined up perfectly. So I don't know what else it could be. We're getting lots of fuel. It's just a steady misfire on every cylinder. Help us out, peeps.